Welcome to WalterWise, smart habits for a smarter life. Let's go. A glass of wine a day is healthy. Beer after work? Totally normal, right? Well, what if even small amounts of alcohol are quietly messing you up? Let's uncork the science. And yes, it's going to sting more than tequila. What happens when you drink? Your body doesn't think alcohol is fun. It thinks it's poison. Seriously, your liver jumps into emergency mode to break it down. One byproduct is acetaldehyde, a toxic chemical linked to cancer. So yes, that one harmless drink comes with a chemical your body hates. The fake health claim, red wine is good for the heart? Maybe if you're a grape. Turns out, those alcohol is healthy studies were flawed. Newer research says no amount of alcohol is good for your health. Not one glass, not even on your birthday. What does a moderate really mean? 1 drink per day for women, 2 for men. That's what moderate means. But here's the twist. Even that raises your risk of high blood pressure, stroke, and several cancers. A big 2022 study in The Lancet found even small daily amounts increase your risk of death, so moderation still comes with consequences. Let's talk brain power. Even light drinking shrinks brain volume. MRI scans don't lie. Your focus, memory, and emotional control take a hit. And alcohol wrecks REM sleep, the deep kind your brain needs. So that nightcap to help you sleep? It's actually mugging your brain with a pillow. Why it feels so normal? Here's the tricky part. Alcohol is everywhere. Birthdays. Breakups. Tuesdays. We don't call it peer pressure anymore. Now it's vibes. But just because everyone's doing it doesn't mean it's a good idea. Remember, so was the cinnamon challenge. Now let's talk teens and early 20s. Brains are still wiring up, especially the decision-making part. Alcohol slows that process. The earlier you start drinking, the higher the risk of addiction later. And binge drinking? Still way too common. Pro tip: if your drink glows in the dark, maybe skip it. Should you stop drinking forever? Not saying that, but you deserve to know what's really going on. Every drink has a cost, physically and mentally. If you're drinking daily just to relax or sleep, maybe your body's trying to tell you something. Want better energy, clearer thinking, deeper sleep? You don't need alcohol. You need hydration, sleep, and maybe a walk that doesn't end at a bar. Unsexy? Yes. Effective? Also yes. Alcohol isn't evil. But it's definitely not harmless. Time to stop pretending it's your friend. Stay informed, stay sharp. Stay wise, live smarter.